Hey everybody, Bob here from INFICON, and today we're going to show you how to use your AST100 refrigerant leak detector. Start by installing the included D-cell batteries. Remove the battery cover by depressing the release tab using a coin or screwdriver. Install the batteries and replace the battery cover. Be sure to slide the battery cover along the side rails until the release tab is engaged. If the power indicator flashes, or if the power and high indicators both flash, the batteries are low and should be replaced. To install the included sensor, start by removing the rubber sensor cap from the AST100 body by gently prying at the edges. Next, remove the sensor from the sealed foil package and carefully install the sensor into the 3-pin socket on the circuit board. Once the sensor is installed, reinstall the rubber cap and long press the power button to turn AST100 on. AST100 will take up to 2 minutes to warm up. During warm-up, AST100 will continuously alarm and all 3 indicators illuminate. Once warm-up is complete, AST100 beeps and the high indicator flashes approximately once per second. When checking for leaks, we recommend you start in high sensitivity, then switch to low sensitivity as you get closer to the leak point. Press the power button to toggle between low and high sensitivity. Without blocking the airflow, place the tip of AST100 as close as possible to the suspected leak. If a leak is detected, AST100 alarms and the high or low indicators will flash. The faster the alarm, the higher the concentration of refrigerant. AST100's Auto Zero function will automatically zero to the background refrigerant concentration, so it's normal for the alarm to stop after a few seconds. To reset the zero point, move the probe to clean air for a few seconds, and then check again to verify the leak. Turn AST100 off by long pressing the power button. A filter is pre-installed in the AST100 probe tip. If the filter looks dirty, gets wet, or clogged, replace it with one of the included replacement filters. To replace the filter, use a paper clip or small tweezers to remove the old filter, and then install the new one by pushing it into place. AST100 includes a small UV inspection light that can help verify leaks when fluorescent dye is already in the AC system. Manufactured in the USA, AST100 includes a 2-year warranty to give you peace of mind. Check out the new AST line of leak detectors made specifically for the automotive aftermarket and see for yourself why INFICON is trusted by thousands of technicians around the world.